Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of little AI interactive talking plush white bear toy that has got really popular on different social media platforms. A lot of people are talking about it, and once I tried dive deeper, I got to know like this product is pretty much a scam, and here is how I'm gonna give the evidences. As you can see, we are on their official website, and this product is claims to be a really good one, which can provide you with the emotional support because it is backed by some science. But once I tried searching dive deeper, I didn't get even a single evidence about this any science. So another concerning thing is they are sort of giving the reviews, like a lot of people are talking, even the celebrities are talking about this beer, but once we check those videos are pretty much AI generated, and those all are the fake reviews. So another red flag is once I tried searching for this product on Amazon, it was previously available on Amazon, but it has now been removed, which is very much concerning because this product might be a scam and that Amazon has detected. And once I tried searching for the reviews of the people on the malwaretapes.com, I got to know that notice the product images that they have uploaded on the official website to market is appears too perfect, but they are the AI generated pictures, and people are currently saying that it is pretty much a scam, and everyone is clearly saying it's definitely a scam and should avoid this product. So in conclusion, I would say like this product is pretty much a scam, and you should avoid purchasing this item and wasting your money. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.